But anyways, let's just start playing. Okay,
No jinx.
yeah, no drinks. No drinks, no drinks, no drinks. Okay. First, I'm gonna try out the first car. Let's race. Let's do the first map. There's only 3 maps, right? Yeah, there's only 3 maps. Oh snap! Okay, so this is tilt. That means like we need to move your tablet or phone, whatever. I'm gonna try out all kinds of I forgot what, all kinds of controls. If you're a racer, you can't crash the cops or else you lose health, and yeah. So, snap. But if they crash you, still lose health. Yeah, police eliminated. Oh, there are more police. Nuts. Oh, snap. But I didn't crash. Ah! Ouch, 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 ouch. What do you mean the police is eliminated? There was a police right in front of me. Ah! Oh snap, I'm not losing health. I'm supposed to. Oh, I did lose health. Are you guys such a niggas? Bum, bum, bum. Ah! What do you mean it's eliminated again? There was 2 cars in front of me, bro. Oh snap. Oh, pussy. No, please don't hurt me. No! Man. Hey, I have a surprise. Yay. No. Best score. Okay, so let's try new. Let's do swipe. No, let's do that. Try again. Let's see. Why am I getting a lot of prizes? When I go to settings, then I finish, it gives me a prize. Okay, so swipe is like this with the thing to move. You know, actually, I don't know what it's called, but I just know it's to swipe. And wow, I am dying already. It's like you're driving like your real car. Oh. Okay. I got this. Please don't crash me. Please! Just one more hit and I'm dead. Please don't hit me. Do not hit me. No, please. Okay, so we know we are suck at swiping. Now let's do touch. So touch is with this with these two buttons. If you want to go left, you touch the left button. Like, you get what I mean, bro? Or stars. Yeah, I'm gonna call you guys stars. So you guys are rock stars. Oh yeah, I also forgot that you could change the camera with that camera. Under the pause button, you could change it. Like, just press it. See? What the F, bro? The F, bro? Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to end this episode here. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Peace. Wow.